My video will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Miserium. This video is only for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your data without troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called Miserium may be easily injected into the device, and then users realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. These are the consequences of the ransomware attack. This ransomware appends a special random for symbol extension to the file names. It also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, and it places this ransom note on the computer screen. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the computer. The program will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and surely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will also be able to know their exact location on the computer. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium. Premium license has got a fully functional free trial. It helps to remove this ransomware fully and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but Premium license is what you need for having your files always protected in the future. And please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.